Hi Abhishek, the webinar is now live. I'm giving you back the hosting rights.
Great. Thank you.
Done. Thanks.
Thank you. Sabah,
Yes.
yes, I'm starting the webinar.
Okay, sure.
The webinar is live now, Sabah.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Very good evening. Okay. How are you all? Is there any changes in the link or something? As the participants are very less.
Yes, there is a change in the link and same has been communicated as well.
Oh, it's been communicated already. Okay. Let's wait for a little time because we just have 9 participants. Usually, over 100 participants join. Um, how are you all? How's the day today? Okay. Mine is also good. Today we are going to start with the super batch, Apex integration, pacing. Uh, just read the question carefully. I'll suggest not only once, twice or thrice. I'll say to understand the problem. Then only you'll be able to find out it's this thing. If you're following any video or link while solving on YouTube or something, we have a lot of videos available, but try to go for the one which is showing explanation also, not the muted video where only they just perform the task and nothing else. So if you follow the one which has the explanation included, that would be the best option for you. I'll suggest. Okay. Strength is so if you're finding the object but there is no field in it, like task, you don't have the field, then create the field. They must have told you in the challenge um, that they wanted to be, this thing needs to be done or something like that. It should be there. Are you sure? Which one you're trying, Mr. Sachin? Which one you're trying to do? Flow super batch. You have completed the related all the levels related to it. The other, then only it must be unlocked for you, right? Oh, create task according to the specific criteria. Let me. Uh, Flow fundamental super batch unit you're talking about, right? Super batch unit. Mm. For the flow fundamental super unit, you have create task accordingly. Flow build logic and everything is done. Tips, use case, dreams case bookshop. Mr. Sachin, decision element. Oh, you got the voucher from Salesforce by completing one task. Lucky enough, worth rupees 200. You can use it for any this thing to for the certification if you want to give a try. You can let others also know what task you have completed, so others will also get an opportunity to get this thing, right? As it's a free voucher from the Salesforce itself. Um, I'll check it, Mr. Sachin. I'm trying to search for the task, this thing, but I didn't got it. Where is the task object and the fields which you're talking about? Um, Abhishek sir, should I start? We have 31 participants around.
Yeah, absolutely, Sabha. You can start now.
Okay, fine. Um, Let me share my screen. Today we have to start with the super batch from LinkedIn. Okay. Okay, fine. I thought it's open challenge, so others can also get the benefited from there. Not an issue. Okay. I hope so. My screen is visible for all of you. So I'm sharing the wrong screen, definitely. Yeah, I am. Correct. Uh, in the session, we have around three more classes left. In the two classes, we'll be working on the Apex Specialist Super Batch, where I will help you out to get your Specialist Super Batch. The other modules, whatever is left, you're supposed to complete it by the 30th of November, 30 of November. You have around 11 more days in your hand in order to complete this entire trial mix and be eligible for this exams are paid. That's why we are asking you all to complete the trial head so that you will stand out the chance to get a free vouchers over there. Okay, so I'll suggest you make sure you will not miss this opportunity. It's a big opportunity for everyone, I'll say. You will get the developer voucher, the entire 100% off. The lucky winners will get it, and it is not like a one winner from the one cohort. Okay, so there would be multiple vouchers based on your performance and all. So don't miss this chance, I'll say. Let us try to understand the scenarios. We have already completed the triggers, testing, asynchronous, and integration services. We have to work on the specialist super batch. I hope so. Your specialist super batch must be open for everyone because we have completed all the prerequisites for this batch. Can I get a quick thumbs up if your Apex specialist super batch is open, activated for all of you? Okay. Okay. Yes. Fine. If it is not open for anyone, that means you're missing on the modules over there. In that case, you can refer the recording of the previous session. It's available on YouTube and then try to finish it out. Okay. So please do catch up on the things, whatever you're missing on. Miss Smita, join the meeting, the YouTube, the Zoom meeting. Attendance will not be marked from the YouTube if you're attending. Yes, Mr. Balaji, let me just put the cheat sheet link in the chat so that you will get the code for everything, whatever we have so far. So I have a one sheet over here created especially for this. Let me do the settings that you all will have the view. Okay. I'm putting it in the chat. Open this link, everyone. Now also going forward, whatever the activity. Zoom asks for meeting ID on laptop as there is no mail received. The previous link might not be working for you, right? Because the link got changed as I get to know. So I don't think so. The previous link will work for you, Miss Smita. You'll have to join with the new link. You must have received the new link, right? Through the mail or not? No, there is no mail received. Check the Telegram channel on the Telegram. You're the part of the Telegram. It's been shared on Telegram already. Okay. For a course completion certificate and March, it's compulsory to take the assessment. Yes, Miss Nalini, the assessment is pre-attempt, right? There is nothing to be paid or something, if I'm not wrong. You can take it. For course completion certificate, no. You will get the course completion certificate once you complete the trial head. Okay. Voucher is also based on the trial head, whether you're completing your trial head or not. Okay.
Sabha, may I take this question as well?
Yeah, sure, sir. Sorry.
So Nalini, for course completion certificate and the voucher, NASSCOM SSC assessment is not a compulsory thing. You will get the course completion certificate once you complete all the modules in Trailhead and the data has been reported back to NASSCOM. However, it is recommended to take the SSC assessment, which is of 600 rupees, as it is a industry uh, uh, recognized certification, and it will definitely add value to your CV. Thank you.
I hope so it's clear. Okay. Yep. Okay. So in the super batch, first of all, you have to do the automation, which can help you to record the creation, automation record creation you have to do using the triggers. Apart from this, you have to use the synchronized Salesforce data with the external system where you're using the REST callouts. Even you have to do the scheduling of the task using the Apex code. You have to write the test code for the triggers and their side effect. Call out. Also, you have to do mock call outs, the testing, and finally test the scheduling logic to confirm the action gets queued or not. So these are the things we have to do it in. We'll be dividing in different parts and do it. We won't be able to complete in a single go. All this concept we already covered: how to create a trigger, how to synchronize the Apex, how to use the Apex integration with the SOAP or the REST callouts. Apex texting also we have done it. So we have couple of pre-work to do. Okay. First of all, yep. You have to set up the development org and install this package. Let's do this. Add certain pick list. The next step, update it. Actually, we already have a type. You have to update it. Update the case page layout also. So it should be used with the all the profile. Rename the labels over there for the tab. Apart from this, you have to update the product page layout also. Assignment. Rename that thing also. You have to create the default data tab as well. And then check out the newly created review. So this is the prerequisite which we have to do. Let's make it ready. Let's do one thing. I will not get the option to redo it. I don't think so I'll be able to redo it. For all of you, as I've completed it once, it is not allowing it to do it again. Let me directly go to my hands-on orgs. I'm creating a dedicated playground for it. I'll suggest you also to create it. Apex super batch. Come on, everyone. Just, I think so you have one MCQ. Yeah, create a new playground. If I'm not wrong, there was MCQ also at the bottom, which I'm not getting. I'm not getting anything here. All the challenges are not coming here at all. What I can do here in order to show you all, let me go to incognito mode. Trial head. At least start a new um playground. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes. So let's not waste the time. Launch a new playground. Mhm. No, it is showing the lock option if we do go without sign up. Let me try to do as such. I have a pool. Oh my god. Yeah, the challenge will not be visible for me. Is it possible for anyone to share the screen and show the challenge one? Because I will not get the option to show you the challenge, whatever is coming there. Or take a screenshot of the challenge as it is unlocked for you all already. Take a screenshot for all the challenges which are coming at the bottom and just put it in the chat. Can you please do it? Did you got what I'm asking? Like it must be unlocked for all of you, right? So just do one thing, go all the way down and here take the screenshot of the challenge and put it in the chat so that we can discuss and then go ahead. Oh, my playground is ready. I'll just launch it. You all can easily launch it. You must be having the launch button at the bottom. So just go there and press the launch, create a new playground and launch it. Done. Okay, what about others? Can you all show me if you all are on the same page as I am right now? You all are able to get the welcome page in a new playground, freshly prepared. Install a package. Done. Okay. Enter the package ID. They have given the package ID for us. It's starting with 04T. So it's absolutely right. Let's paste it over here. Install it. Um, in your challenge, you must be having the creation credential security quiz there. So first answer the quiz, okay? Let's install it for admins only as they have not mentioned anything for specifically answered. Okay. Only two questions are there, right? Install the package for admins only. Install it. It's installing. I'm also putting the package ID in the chat. Once the installation is done, you must have received the mail also on your registered email ID, whatever is registered with the Salesforce. You can go and check out in the package like what are the things you have received. So I got this package, which is Apex Specialist Super Batch package. Okay. Can I get a quick thumbs up if you all got the same package into your playground as well? Yes, no. Okay, one thumbs up from Mr. Muzammil. What about others? Yes. Mr. Aman, you're able to do it? Okay, Mr. Mohsin also done it. Mr. Venkataramana. Your name is little difficult for me to pronounce, sorry. Uh, let me check. We install the package, no? It come with one app, How We Roll Maintenance. Go to App Launcher, just search for How We Roll Maintenance. This is what the app they added along with the package, whatever you install right now. You have a list of products over here. You can see all products. You have a couple of products given for you. The cases are also there for us. Okay, we have 3 cases open for now. Then you have the equipment maintenance items. Okay, so there is nothing. Vehicles, you have another tab, and you have the option to even create the data. Can I get a quick thumbs up if you all are able to get this application after installing a package into your system? Yep. Yes. Okay. So this is what it added to our system right now. Now let's go ahead and hmm, now we have to actually create couple of lists and update it, right? So let's do the same thing. Add a pick list value of prepare. This task is done, the first one. Add pick list value repair and routine maintenance to the type field on the case object. Fine. So let's try to do the same thing. Let's see first of all the case object. We have the case object here. All cases, I just go inside one cases. You have the relate field here. Feed and detail. Okay, fine. You must be having status type. Yes. Type. Yeah. Type is electrical. When I try to update it, you can see in the type mechanical, electrical, electronic, structural, other. Only these options are there. We want to add another category over here in this repair and maintenance, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, routine maintenance and the repair option needs to be there in this type. Okay. So where we can update it? Can you tell me? Yeah, I just came into the case. How we run maintenance, the same app, the cases are there, right? Go inside the cases, ping it for like my cases, pin for my cases so that you can see all the cases. Open, close, all the cases will appear for you. I'll go just inside any of the case, any case. In the detail section here, you can see the type is available for you. In the type, it's like a pick list where you can select the option from the drop down. Okay. So we want to select it here, routine maintenance or repair. But we don't have this option available. So we have to make it available first of all. Okay. That's what we are trying to do now. Is the task is clear? Can you all try to do it? We have so far created a lot of objects and pick list and everything. Come on, how to do this task? This is very simple one, na? We need to go to setup, right? Object manager. Which object should I select here? On which object I have to do the changes? Yep, case, correct. Let's search for case. Field and relationship. I don't have to make a new field. I already have a field called type. Search for type here. Go inside it. You will go down and you'll be able to see the list here, the items here. Correct? Mechanical, electrical, electronic, structural. We want to make a new item here. So press the new button and just copy and paste the best practice. Repair. Enter. You can add 2 items at a time. Routine maintenance. Okay. So I just added 2 of them. Save. I got the repair here, which is activated. I have the routine maintenance. This is also activated. Can I get a quick thumbs up if you all are able to come till here? What I have did, I am in the object manager, first step. I selected the case, second step. I'm in the field and relationship, third step. Inside the type, okay, the type. I'm in the type right now. Okay. After coming to type, you go down and press the new button in order to make new items into your list. Fine. Okay. What about others? Thumbs up. So this task is also done. Step 3. Update the page layout for the case object. Assignment to use the case how well rollout for your profile. Basically, we have to assign this page layout to our profile, or for everyone also you can do, not an issue. So let's do it. Here is the case page layout. We have to manage its assignment. So we select the assignment option. Step 1, page layout. Step 2, page layout assignment. Okay. Edit your assignment. You can see every profile has different layout assigned, like the simple case layout, or marketing has the marketing case layout, sales has the sales case layout. But we want to make how to roll as the case layout. Edit your assignment. Come on, everyone. Show me a thumbs up if you are able to come to this. How we roll needs to be selected. And I'm applying for the entire profile here. Wait, let me do it from here. Yeah. So I selected 25 profile. For all of them, I'm selecting how we roll layout. Simple, easiest one. Click here, first thing. Second step, change the layout name. Third step, press the save button. So this layout will be assigned to all the profile. Mr. Arun, we are working on the Apex Specialist Super Batch. Show me a thumbs up if you all have changed the layout settings for all the profile. Done? Okay. So step 3 is also done. We have assigned the case how we roll layout to all the profile. Okay. Let me just check it. It is implemented. Yeah. Now you can see case how we roll out is coming for all the profiles. Perfect. So this is also done. Rename the tab label for case to maintenance request. Okay, let's copy this. We have to do it for product also, same thing, and equipment. Fine. So rename the tab label for case tab to maintenance request. Okay. Let's go back to home. Press the home option. Search here. Rename. Okay. Rename the tabs and labels. We have to rename the case. Select case, edit here. Step 3. Copy and paste the name, the singular and plural name. So singular name is going to be maintenance request. The plural is going to be maintenance requests. Correct? Just hit the save button and that's it. Do the changes over here and hit the save button. Have you all done till here? Follow the same process like the way we have done for cases. You have to do it for product also. The product layout also needs to be product how we role layout. Same thing. So object manager, we search for product, page layout assignment on the right top, edit the assignment, select the profile, and the layout should be product how we role layout. Save it. Once you're done with saving, show me thumbs up. Come on. Done? You all have changed the assignment? Only one thumbs up. What about others? Mr. Aman, Mr. Arun, Mr. Venkata. Okay, just done. Okay, fine. Okay. Now let's go back to the home. Again, we have to rename this tab, the products tab. We don't want it to show as a product. Okay. So rename tab. Check out for PEP for products. Problem products. Yes. Here we go. We have the products here. Press the edit button for products. Change its name. It should be equipment. It's not product, it's equipment. They want the product object to be named as equipment and equipment. MENTS. Starts with the vowel sound. Yes, it starts with the vowel sound. Equipments, right? Save it. Rename your objects. Save this thing. Let's check out. Yeah. No, it didn't came here. Wait. Okay. It was products. It is equipment updated by us, right? Ma'am, please. What should I put in the cheat sheet? Like I have not added any code yet. I can share the link of the cheat sheet, but the cheat sheet doesn't have any code from today's session. Okay. Fine. Rename the products to equipment. Those who missed. Yep. You can follow on YouTube definitely. Rename to products to equipments. Yes, this one is the last step we have done. So the equipments is also done. Level 7, step 7 is also done. Use the app launcher to navigate to create default data from the how we role maintenance and then create the data. Fine. Let's go to your how we role maintenance. You have this tab that help you to add the data. You can see it now. I'm not getting cases here. We are getting equipments, maintenance request. We just updated it, right? So the product is coming as equipments. All equipments I have around more. Oh, it's too much. 26 equipments I have it. Maintenance request I have it in total around 26 right now. So the labels, whatever you have changed, it's reflecting on your app successfully. Let's go to get the data set to work around it. So we go to create default data, click on create data. It takes a little time. Yep. Now we can check out whether it's there or not. Oh, fine. I got now 30 of the equipments, vehicles. Okay, I got 4 vehicles, toy, teardrop camper, pop-up camper, travel trailer, maintenance item also I got it, 5 part, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have some data now in each of the objects now. Can I get a quick thumbs up if you all are also able to get the data into your app? Fine. Um, Review the newly created records to get the fine. We have done till here. Now let's read the use case. So basically, there are two kinds of people in the world: those who would like to travel in a recreational vehicle (RV), and those who don't. So RV community is increasing exponentially. What in the past few years, what how we roll rentals do. It's a world largest RV rental company, and it's growing globally, and the camper fleet tenfold. So it offers the travelers superior RV rental and the roadside services, basically. Their tagline is, "We have a great service because that's how we roll." Okay. And their rental fleet include all the style of vehicles, some extra large luxurious home on the wheels, to bare bones and the retro wine bagos, everything is there. So right now you have hired from this company as a Salesforce developer to automate and scale their how we roles reach out basically. Um, Sometimes we don't have the planned journey, okay, or there might be the road bumps some point all the way. So what how we roll do? Has the amazing repair squad who can attend to any of the maintenance requests, no matter where you are in the world. Okay, they will repair the thing, a variety of difficulties. That's why we added the pick list where we added repair and maintenance update, right? So as a company grow, how does the uh, how it works? Like, while it's great for the business, the company is growing. At the same time, the current service and maintenance process is challenging to scale out. Okay. In order, again, they are facing the challenge over here to service the request for broken or malfunctioning equipment and the routine maintenance request for vehicles. So we have to fix these two things where they are facing the challenge. Okay. Without maintenance check, the rental fleet is susceptible to avoidable breakdowns. So this is where we come into the picture. You have to automate their Salesforce based routine maintenance system. So you have to make sure that might cause unnecessary damage to the vehicle, or the it can come to the worst customer also. You have to integrate the Salesforce with the Howie roles in the back office system to keep the track of their warehouse inventory, how many parts they have it, or everything. They have to keep it in the up to date. Okay. And it needs to be complete separate system. It should get sync with the basics of the Salesforce. So you have to even use the synchronization over here that will synchronize with the headquarter. So the headquarter will get to know how much exactly the equipments are available in the inventory. Okay, whenever they are getting any request for the maintenance or alerts, they have to order the more equipments or something like that. So this challenge is more about the inventory tracking, making alerts at the same time to the headquarters and all. So we do have some standard objects already, like maintenance request, which we just renamed it. So it will take a service request for the broken vehicles and even the malfunctions and the routine maintenance. We updated the type list also over there with the routine maintenance or the repair option. So that is why we have added these two options into the type. In the product object, which is standard object, is already there. We have the parts and items in the warehouse used to fix or maintain the RV. Other than this, on this, you can see these are two the standard object. Now the other two are custom object, equipment, maintenance items, and vehicles. So vehicles is like their rental fleet, and the next one is your equipment maintenance item, which will keep the record of all their items, the maintenance request record, indicating how much the equipments they need for the maintenance of the request. So here is the diagram is given for you, which you have to check it out. The vehicle is in the relationship with the maintenance request. Okay. Now the maintenance request is in the relationship with the equipment maintenance item. And again, equipment also needs to be in the relationship. It's one to many. Okay. So let's try to see this we can go to the we do have the option to check out their schema builder. Yeah, I just clear all the objects, select all, clear all, click fine. I have case. Where do I have the case? Equipment maintenance item. Where is this guy? Okay. Vehicles. Vehicles maintenance request. Uh, Equipment item, equipment. Yeah, maintenance was the product. Fine. Let's try to see their vehicle to maintenance request. Vehicle to maintenance request. Yeah, it is. They are already in the relationship. Equipment maintenance item, that means the product. Yep. So using the schema builder, I just want to show you their relationship, whatever they have mentioned there. Yeah, it is there already. As you all can see it on the screen. So the vehicle is already in the lookup relationship for cases to vehicles. Okay. Then the cases are again in the master detail relationship with the equipment maintenance item. Okay. When you receive the case and in your query, then only you will check out their maintenance items. So that's why it is the master detail relationship over here. Then when you get the items, you will check out for the product, whether it is available in the product list or not. So it's in a lookup relationship with it. I hope so this is clear for all of you. So whenever you will raise any case for a vehicle, you will check out for the maintenance equipments. All the equipments are there, whatever is required for its maintenance. No case, no equipment. Master detail, completely dependent on the master here. But if you have a case, you will check out for this equipments and check out in the product list. Do you have that thing available in your inventory or not? Okay. Are you all able to get this relationship, this one? Okay. So I think so the first challenge is all about the automate the maintenance request only for us. So let's see what they are asking us to automate here. With the exponential increase in the RV popularity, they are supplying hundreds of luxuries and economy vehicles around the globe. So there is increase in their rental stock also. Okay. But what is happening? They having the existing process to handle the failure, but they want to build an automation for their routine maintenance. So you have to build a programmatic process that automatically schedule the regular checkup on the equipment based on the date that the equipment was installed. So once you install the equipment, like after 30 days or after 60 days, the routine maintenance checkup should be there. Okay. And if you have any existing maintenance request of type repair or routine maintenance is closed, so you have a repair type of request or routine maintenance which is closed, you have to create a new maintenance request for a future routine check. Like I have done the routine checkup of my RV today on 19th of November. I'll have to create a future routine checkup on 19th December. Like in 30 days, 60 days, whatever their policies will be there. And it should be tied to the same vehicle and the equipment records as the original closed request. Yeah, whatever I have closed it to that only, I will do the checkup again after a month or so. For record keeping purpose, the existing equipment maintenance item must remain tied to the original closed request. So the new request must be created. Whenever a new record is creating, must be tied up with the old one. Okay. The new request type should be set as routine maintenance. The subject should not be null, and the report date field reflects as the day the request was created. And all the equipment will have the maintenance cycle. So here we have to even calculate the maintenance request due dates by using the cycle defined on the related equipment record. If the piece of equipments are used in the maintenance request, define the due date by applying the shortest maintenance cycles to today's date. Okay, so you have to check out the shortest maintenance cycle also. You have to design the code to work with both single and the bulk maintenance request. You have to bulkify the system, successfully process approximately 300 records of offline maintenance requests, and it is scheduled to import together. First, you have to expose the logic for other users in the org, separate the trigger name. You have all the files already created in your developer playground. If you go to the developer console, you can see these file name is already there. Yeah. So we have one maintenance request and maintenance helper, two files which we have to work around for this. Okay. So let's work around for them and finish it. So we have to make a trigger over here. Let me quickly show you how you will get access to that. Go to developer console. We have the vehicles. We check out the relationship. Yeah. File, open. We have to open the class, search here, maintenance request, helper, open, file, open. This is the test for the same. I don't want to test it right now. I just want the helper and open the trigger maintenance request. So we have one helper class that will help your actual trigger. Are you both you all are able to get this? It's reflecting or not? What I have done, go to file, try to open one trigger in one class. If it is not there, then you have to make it. but ideally it should be there. File, open the class. Search for maintenance. Open the first one. The name of the class is maintenance request helper. Do you all have this one? Helper is there? Okay, fine. After opening the helper, go to trigger, search for maintenance request. Done? Yeah, there are other classes also. Yes, we are going to use all of them. It's already pre-created for us so that you will not do any error or something while renaming them or something like that. Fine. Okay. I have the code already with me. Let me just first show you and explain it to you what we are trying to do here. It's a big code, uh, the helper one. Uh, I've already kept it ready because in 2 hours we cannot do all the things, typing and all here on. Okay. Let me explain you the logic first of all. So over here we have obviously the class is like we have the public class over here which has the name maintenance request helper. It will help the actual trigger. It has one method, static method, which will update the work orders. It is creating a list here for us, list of cases. It will create around a new list of cases for us. It is empty right now. Okay, we just define the new case list to hold it. In teacher, we have defined one variable over here, which has the average amount around 10,000. Let's see how we are using this. We have another object, custom object. So we are making the new list for that also. Equipment maintenance item, the item list, and the cases list. From the case list, we are trying to select the IDs, the vehicle, and the subject, product, and all the information. Where the condition is what? Where the equipment IDs also we are selecting. Where the status is closed. So whenever you have the closed status, you will take all this information information from the case object. At the same time, the type should be repaired or the routine maintenance. And the ID should be present in the new trigger. And maximum, I'm passing the limit of 200 over here to get a record at a time. So it will basically, let's suppose I have one case over here. I have done the routine checkup for that case. So I will say this case is closed now, right? So I'll just update here. Yeah, okay, fine. Let me show you here only. So look, the status is closed here already, but the type is electrical. But what we have to do, we have to change the type here into repair or routine maintenance. So whenever I'll complete the routine maintenance of this guy, and the case I said this is closed now. Okay, I'll just make it close after this, save it. So as soon as I close it, what it will do, it will fetch all the information like case number, the contact name, and what are the other information, the vehicle type, the subject, the product ID, the product itself, everything, it will take it from it. Okay. So all the information, as soon as I change the type to routine maintenance and the type is closed, status is closed, it will take all the information from this and save it to my case list. Now it will map it. I'm trying to map the ID, whatever the ID I have selected from the cases with the equipment maintenance item. So I'm trying to map it with these IDs and the maintenance items over here. With respect to the ID and the map, where I have to select the equipment, the quantity, what was the quantity, the IDs of this equipment, and then maintenance cycles also from there only. All these things are coming from equipment maintenance item, the custom object. So we are trying to map these information. Now I'll just run a for loop. So for the case C, from the list, whatever the list I got closed, in each of them, it will just make a new case over here and set the type, new case type, it will make it every time that it's supposed to do the routine maintenance. Okay, let's suppose I close one case today on 19th of November. So it will make another case for it with the name of routine maintenance. The status would be new. It will take the information from my the closed one. That vehicle is vehicle C. The subject is routine maintenance request is coming. Correct. The date is what? Date reported, today's date it will take. Good. Then it will take the product ID also from today. The product itself, product information, and the parent ID also. So all this information from the current case will get updated into the new case, whatever is added. All this information got captured already in the list which I have created over here. So I'm just using this information and creating a new case with it. So whatever the case, let's suppose today I have closed around 20 cases. The 20 cases will go into the list. The list will run the for loop. For each of them, it will make a new case with the routine maintenance name, and the status would be new. The old information with it has everything. The same thing you are doing here also. For the equipment maintenance item, EMI, from the items, equipment maintenance items object, For each of them, first of all, I'm trying to use the minimum of average amount, that is 10,000 integer value. Okay. We are trying to get their ID and then their cycle, maintenance cycle information. Let me show you. What is this? Okay, that information is not added over here. Only the maintenance request is given for equipment name is given here. They are not showing the cycle information here, but it's from this object only. So what are the things you are doing over here? You are trying to add a new EMI over there. So every time, no, equip, we have it there. Okay, fine. It will add the new item into the list with the ID. The maintenance request ID will also get updated from this list only, and the quantity also, how much quantity it's required for that. Due days is like average amount, whatever the days we have mentioned there. So add days, like from today's, I have mentioned 1,000 here, average. So the same thing is doing here also. It's add days, average amount. So 1,000 days. So from today's, it will take up to the 1,000 days. So new case due date will get updated to the due date, whatever I have mentioned here with respect to the average amount. It will finally add the new case into the case object. And if you have the new case size more than 0, then it will get inserted to the data set also. For the case 2 in the new list, what you are going to do, you are going to check their IDs over here, parent ID and your maintenance request ID. So once they are same, okay, once they both are same, in that case, what we are going to do over here, we are simply going to update your maintenance request EMI to the C2 ID, your case 2 ID over there. And even if your new EMI size is more than 0, that means you at least have one entry in your list, you will insert it to the database. So this is, we know, like how the things are working here. It is taking the information from the old case, generating a new case for you, then taking the information from the equipment maintenance item, the quantity and everything, then setting your average days, after how many days the due date will come for the new repair, the case date should be what, after how many days and everything. But when it should get triggered, it should trigger after inserting the data, before inserting the data, where all the steps should happen. You have to mention that thing in your trigger here. Okay, this is just a helper class that will do the backend process, but you have to mention the event when this thing should happen for you. Control S, let me just save it. Control A, Control C. I'm updating it into the cheat sheet. So the first one is for, it is for the class. This is for Apex Super Batch. Here is for class maintenance helper. I updated the code there. The maintenance helper code. Yep, here we go. Maintenance request helper. Oh, Okay. I'm sharing the link with all of you. Are you updated? I am updated. I have also updated the sheet. I've added it in a sheet as well under Apex Super Batch. We just need to call it. Update work orders from the maintenance helper request. Right. Um, let's write a trigger for it so that it should get triggered now. The trigger is very simple. You just need to call your class here and mention in which scenario it should be triggered, before, after, or what. You all have saved the first one, the class. No. Okay, then save it. Um, in the trigger file, let's update the trigger file also. Maintenance, the case. It is before update and after update only. Yeah. To call the maintenance work orders, we are just going to write one if condition. If my trigger is after, in that case, I'll just call the helper class here. That's it. It's just a simple if condition. Uh-huh. Actually, I just do Control X. So I'm just telling the trigger should be after update, not do it for before update. After updating the case, what I'll be doing, I'll just call this thing. So this trigger is on case. So after every update, whenever I'll do any update here, it will call the helper class for us. The helper class will get executed for us. Is this much is done? Do Control S for this, and if you will check for the first challenge, we have successfully completed the first challenge here, uh, which was for you to write the mm, wait a minute. What was the first challenge name over there? Yeah, automate the record creation. So it will automatically create your record in the case, right? So repair or repair routine is updated to close, follow the specification and name convention in the business requirements. That was your challenge. Oh, maintenance required. It's already shared, no? The trigger. It's just it's a simple if condition. Let me see. It's showing me error. Okay, no. Let me put it. I've just mentioned that it should get executed. Trigger. Here is a trigger for maintenance request. Fine. Save first class. Save the trigger. Check for challenge. You will get the point. The trigger will get updated after updating your case. So let's suppose I have one maintenance request here. All these are already closed. New. Okay. Lauren is the new. We have couple of new one also. Go for one of the new. Wait a minute. Maintenance request. It's in the context now. No. Maintenance request. Status should be new. Yes. Case. Oh, it's electrical type. I'll change it to repair type. Save. It doesn't have any close case for now or any activity added here. I'm changing the status to close. Status was new. I'm changing it to close. It activated. Let's see. My case number is 000009. Let's just update it. 733. It added the new case. for me at 7:33. This one. I closed one case, it opened the another case for me. So it's a new case. Yep, 000102. Routine maintenance. Seeking guidance on electrical wiring installation for this. It's working. Got the point? Try to trigger your thing. When we are updating, like suppose you have any case. Yep. Let's make it simply. I'm making a new case over here with the status as new for now. Case origin. Okay. Let me check it here. It came from the type. Yeah, type is more important. It's in repair right now. It is for the. You have Bob? No. Okay, fine. Fine. It is related to Lauren. The account name. Burlington, you have it? Yeah, Burlington Textile. Main thing, type and status. Type should be new. Status should be new. Type should be repair or maintenance. Fine. Just save it. Okay. I got 1029 here. We said it should take, yes. The subject would be routine maintenance request. From the subject due date, it will take the vehicle type, status, routine maintenance type. Okay. Let me try to close it. Close the case. Status is working. Save. There should be no any changes here. When we change it to working, look, I'll just stay here and 736, I created the new one. Okay, Lauren. It doesn't have any subject right now. After 736, there is nothing. But what I'm going to do now, I will close. This is new right now. Sorry, this is working right now. I will change this status to close. So as soon as I close it, the trigger will invoke and it will make a new case file. So let me close it. Status, close. Let's close the case. Close. Yep. Save. Case closed. Now let's just refresh this. We'll get a new case here. Yes, look. I close this case of 36. I get a new case here, 737. It created a new case for me. Routine maintenance request. Correct? I made the 1029. It automatically generated 1030. Let's see all the information. It came from here. Let me just cancel it. Yeah, this is already closed now. So it took the type here, routine maintenance. We have mentioned that the type should be what? Of the new case, routine maintenance. Status is what? New. So type is routine maintenance. Status is also new. Perfect. Take the vehicle information also. Let's see. Okay. Earlier in the previous one also, I have not passed the vehicle information. But check out the due date. We set the average of 1000 days. So from date reported, like today I reported this thing. The due date is coming after 1,000 days of the maintenance. Okay, that is coming in 2052. You can play with the number. There is no any issue in that. You can see maintenance request created for me here, new, with the medium priority. So you set the number for average of 1,000 days. So that's what's coming in. The maintenance due date is coming for 2052. Subject is also coming there. Whatever we have mentioned, routine maintenance request over there. So the same thing, routine maintenance request is coming there. Date reported is today's date. Yes, the date reported is today's date. It's working. It take the product information, but I have not passed it in the parent only. So that's why it's not coming here as well. Okay, so the things are working pretty much well. Is it working for all of you? Try to close any case with the type repair or maintenance. It will create a new one for you. Can you all show me a thumbs up if you all are able to get it? Maintenance request created. At 10,000 years. 2052 is 10,000 years from today. I never knew that. Let me check it. 52, 2024. I don't think so. It is 10,000 years. It seems like day for me. Let me just use the formula to find the difference now. Yeah, it is days. We said that integer number. Look, here you said average amount. The formula here, add days. You added the days in today's date. You can change it. We can change it to 10 days also, not an issue. Because they have not mentioned the repair cycle or the maintenance cycles is how long it is. So it is, yeah, it is 10,000. Look, ones, sorry, zeros, ones, 10,000, 10,000. Yeah, it is 10,000. You can change it. You can pass it here 50 days, 360 days, or whatever you want. What we can do, man, you know that. Do we have days remaining here? No, no. We can add a formula field days remaining to count how many days are remaining. But then we'll delete it. This is just an extra thing which I'm doing. Object manager. No. Maintenance request. This is the extra step. I'm just showing you that whatever you have done there, it's the same thing. Formula field. Days remaining. It will give me the number of days, how many are remaining. Advanced formula field. What is the name of this field? Time open, time close. No, 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 no. Where is the detail? Hmm. Maintenance request. Yep. This request. It was there, no? 52. Isn't it coming? It's just coming here, if I'm not wrong. Mhm. Date due. Let me see. Maintenance request. Due date. Yes. Date due minus today. Correct. Check for syntax. No syntax. Next. Next. Here. Okay. Let's just check out. Details page, it is not reflecting. I'm trying to add a field that will show me how many numbers of days are remaining for this opportunity to get close with respect to the due date. Let's suppose it is 30. Date reported is true. Repair. Type is repair. Case came through. Postponed. Status is new. For long from Burlington Textile. Status new from fine vehicles. Web information, nothing else. Save. Mhm. So then just start showing the information about close date. Contact phone number, case, status. The closing date was coming for all of us, right? If I'm not wrong, we have seen the closing date. That 2052 something was coming. Is it coming for all of you also or not? In the details section, the close date, expected due date. The expected due date is coming or not? Yes, no, hello, can you all hear me? Yes, it's coming. But it just suddenly disappeared from my page layout. I really don't know, or I'm not able to see it. Case number, repair, origin. Due date was there. Case remaining is there. This field is calculated upon, say, 11. Due date is coming under the vehicle section. I don't have the vehicle section. One section would disappear directly. Okay, fine. You are missing on one. Rename the case to request. No, no, no. Singular should be request. Plural should be request. Just change it. It will work for you. Singular and plural. This thing is there for you. It is already there. Where is the- it's not here. Fine. It's right. It's fine. Keep it on the- it's right. So finally, the due date is coming, which is after 11 days. And okay, fine. The code, I'm putting it again. I already put it. I already shared it. Please check your this thing. There is nothing else to put it in the cheat sheet there. So the first is done. We have to do the synchronize inventory management in the next class. where you have to update all the list equipments and everything. And you have to write some unit test for the helper, maintenance helper, and all the three things. Then we'll be done. So we'll be continuing the super batch in the next class, where you have to complete the last two uh, steps over here. Today we completed half of it. The pre-request and the challenge one is done. Next class we'll complete the other two parts of it. Okay. Mm, next class we'll be having a lot of code to do. You have to write the mock calls and everything. Fine. Not an issue. Wait for some time, it will get updated, then you can check your challenge. Yes, sure, you can wind up. You can drop the call. Let me see. Though I have renamed the cases to maintenance requests. Again, you have renamed it to maintenance requests. It's a plural. Make it singular. Please check it. It should be maintenance request, singular. Let me just go to show you. In the rename tabs, check out here what is reflecting for you. The case should be maintenance requests. The API is coming here, okay? The label is singular only. Check it. You have the same, but the thing is that go inside edit it. In the edit now, the first one should be singular. The singular should be singular. And the plural should be plural. It should have S at the end. Then save it. Go inside it and check it. Click on edit. You must be having S here. That's the reason. Okay, then just refresh your screen. And then just refresh your screen, dear. Wait for some time, click on save button, open it again, check it, like let's go inside again, click on edit, check it. It's same request and then requests. If it is, then just go and check for chart. Oh, with you also it happened, Miss Nalini. The others are also facing similar kind of thing. Okay. Okay, fine. In this case, let's wrap up the session. Thank you everyone for being there, listening to me constantly 2 hours. We'll meet you in the next class. Probably we have it on the next week. I'll suggest you, please don't miss this opportunity. Make sure you all are completing this trial head and secure your place for being eligible for the vouchers, Salesforce voucher. It's a very good opportunity for everyone. So I'll suggest you all don't miss out this thing. Okay. Um. Yep. So this is it from my end. We'll see you all in the next class next week. Okay. Bye everyone. Take care. Enjoy your day. Have a good day ahead, all of you. All the best. Next class probably is the last class before the final date for completion. The final date is 30 of November. Okay. So please try to complete it, get your certificate. Okay. Just rearrange your list with respect to the new. If you don't have the new, then create a new case. Fine. Create a new case if you don't have it already. I also created some new cases there for the testing purpose only. Okay. Bye everyone. Take care. We'll see you next week. You all can drop the call. Abhishek sir are there.
Yes,
I can end the
Sabha.
meeting, sir. Yep.
Yes, I'm closing the call.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much, everyone. Remember to take your SSC NASCOM assessment once you complete your